lies on top, lift it up. It is like a little bit off, I think because of the wind, but it's all the same.
Meaning, within the same company, there's 60 speakers.
Of course, the ship did not sail directly from Brazil coming to South Africa. It sailed at the beginning of November, and it went to another country, a foreign country, and from there it came to South Africa. It's been on anchor for almost a week outside Umhlanga, one of those ships that will be on anchor there, waiting to come into the port. And because the team had information on it, this ship was on guard 24/7 until it arrived inside the port. Because it was already flagged, the cargo was already flagged. It's about 10 containers that were flagged. The team put a stop on it so that when it arrives at the harbor, it gets to be moved into the police section because the police had suspicion of some illicit goods that might be inside. And that's why we're having these containers here. And them being here, I must emphasize, it's got nothing to do with the owners of the company of this warehouse. It is because it's a place where the shipping company identified that it's a safer place where these containers can be kept while the police are doing the search. So they are here for that purpose. If it was not for the police to have suspected of some illicit goods that are inside, the likelihood is that these containers will have been off.